Alright, good evening, guys. So, if you come to Hamster, you go to mine, right? You should click on this mine to bring you here. So, as you can see, these three cards we have here 1, 2, 3. These three cards now will give you 5 million, and we have 16 hours, 1 minute 20 seconds to go before it resets. So once it resets, they will bring new cards again. They will put question mark like this. So you have to go and look for those cards. Once you get the cards, you collect your 5 million. So as you can see, app number 1 is app center listing, and we have BizDev team. We've got Web3 Academy launch. So if you want to look for this app now, you go to see, we have markets, we have PR and team, we have Lego, and we have specials. So this particular one, you can find it here. You can see it here in specials, my cards. If you come to my card, you don't have it, you go to new cards. When you click on new cards, you see them here and you buy them. I've purchased all the cards available. So yeah, and the other card, which is this one, right? You buy it, that means you've gotten 2 already. Then the other one, which one is the other one? Let me check. The other one is this BizDev. Yeah, I think it's on PR and team. And you scroll. I don't want to buy this one. You scroll, then you see it here. So once you buy the 3, they'll give you the 5 million, and the 5 million will be added to your balance. I hope that's clear now. So you do this every day, but don't worry, I always drop videos on my YouTube channel. And once I drop the link, you go and watch them and follow it step by step and find those cards and get your 5 million daily. And you can also some of the let me say cards here, you can't unlock them until you perform some tasks. Like maybe if you want to unlock this UX and UI team, now they might ask you to reach level 12 on product team, which is this one. They will write it under here. So you go to this product team now and upgrade it to that level required. Then this one will automatically open, then you buy it like that. And some of those cards might need referrals, so you refer like maybe 1, 2, 3 or 9 referrals, and then yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.